back again. Hope you're doing well. My name is Cynthia. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to make this beautiful top with an extended peplum. So this is my fabric. I have 1.5 yards of fabric. I might not be able to finish 1.5. I'm cutting the front and the back together. They are both folded into two. This is the back, it's folded into two, and the front is also folded into two. The difference between the front and the back is the zipper allowance. The back is 1.5 inches wider than the front part. To determine the fabric you're going to cut out, you measure your shoulder and add your sleeve allowance to it. So I'll be cutting the shoulder and the sleeve together. So this is up to my waist measurement. I added allowance to it. This is my starting line. From my shoulder to waist is 17 inches. I'll use 1/2 inch to join it here and 1/2 inch to join it here. I will place the shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'll add 6.5 inches for the sleeve and add extra 1.5 inches for folding allowance. I'll use this for folding. I will mark 3 inches for the neck width, 1.5 inches for the back depth, and 3 inches for the front depth. I will connect it. This is the back and this is the front. So I will go to this side and mark 1 inch for shoulder slope. I will connect this 1 inch to the neckline. From here, I will mark my arm opening. So from the shoulder slope here, I will mark 8.5 inches. I will make a line here. So this is my chest line. And the shoulder to waist is 17 inches. I will add 1 inch for hemming allowance. That's 18 inches. Connect it. I will place 1/4 of the bust measurement and 1/4 of the waist measurement right on the waistline. 1/4 of the bust measurement is 10.5 inches. I mark 10.5 inches and add 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So I will go to the waistline and mark 1/4 of the waist measurement and add 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. 1/4 of the waist measurement is 8.5 inches. I'll add 1.5 inches for allowance and add 1 inch for that. We're adding that to the top. So I will go ahead and connect it from the chest line to the waist. So I will go to the side here, come down by 2 inches here, and make a curve here. So I will make a curve here. Come down by 2 inches, you go out by 1.5 inches, just connect it from here. I will place my dart here. The bust point is 8 inches, divided by 2 is 4 inches. I will still mark 4 inches here. So we mark the bust line. The bust line is 11 inches. I'll just mark it here. And I will come down 1 inch right from the bust line to mark my dart. So now I'll mark 1/2 inch on each side. 1/2 inch on this side and 1/2 inch on this side. I will connect it like so. For the back dart, you don't come down by 1 inch. You just take it all the way to the chest line. So I will go to the zip side. This is the back zip. I will come inside by 3/4 of an inch. Connect it up. So this is to eliminate zip bulge. So I'll connect it to have a firm zip at the back. I'll just add my 1/2 inch here for joining allowance at the shoulder here. I will go ahead and cut it out. I will make a notch here so that we know where to sew my dart. So I will still reduce 1 inch right from the back side here. This is the back side. I will mark 1 inch and connect it like so. I will cut out the facing. I will lay my fabric on the table, fold it into 2. And place it like so. I will trace it out. I will extend it up to 3 inches for the upper part here. I'll be making a front slit. So I'll mark 3.5 inches for the front slit. So from here, I will come down by 4 inches. So this is for the slit. I will just connect it like so. I will cut out the back as well. I'll open up the front part, turn it to the right side. So the right side of the facing is facing the right side of the normal fabric. I will make a split here. So I mark 1/4 inch and I just narrow it like so. So I'm not making back slit, so I'll be making just front slit and not back slit. I will go ahead and use the facing to turn the top, both the front and the back. I will stitch it very close to the tip with 1/4 inch and bring it to the side. And then stitch my dart. So guys, I'm done using facing to turn the neckline. I've also stitched my dart. This is the front part. So this is the back. We'll go ahead and join them together, right side facing right side. I will take this, I will turn this to the side, use 1/2 inch to stitch it. I will do the same thing for this side, use the facing to turn it to this side and stitch this side. After I've done that, I will join this side. My sewing allowance is 1.5 inches. I'll take 1.5 inches right from the armhole here all the way to the waistline, 1.5 inches on that side as well. I'll use 1.5 inches to hem the arm opening before joining the side. So guys, I'm done joining the side. I use 1.5 inches to hem the arm opening. I use the hemming gun to keep the facing in place. We're going to be adding the peplump. I cut out about 75 inches peplump. The wideness is 75 inches. The length is 11.5 inches. I use 1 inch to hem the lower part. Then I'll use 1/2 inch to join it to the upper part. Normally I'm supposed to be cutting out 10 inches. I added extra 1.5 inches to it, making it 11.5 inches. So this is for the front and this is for the back. The back is 2 inches wider than the front one because of zipper allowance. So I have 2 for the back. I cut out 77 inches for the back. The front is 75 inches and the back is 77 inches. So I will go ahead and attach it to the front side. This is the front. This is the midpoint of the front. I will also look for the midpoint of the front peplum. I will turn it like so. Match the midpoint together, right side facing right side. So it's up to here. I will stitch this up to here. Up to here. That's the front side. I will stop here. And I will stitch this up to the front side. I'll stop here. This is the back. And I will take the back peplum. Place it like so. You stitch it very close to this. I will stitch it all the way to the zip side. I will repeat the same thing for the side. I'll take this to the back. I will stitch it from here all the way to the zip side. I'm done joining the peplum to the upper part. This is the side seam. I stop here for the front side, and then this is the back side. I stopped here. Just make a little cut here so that I'll be able to fold it. We need to hem this other side, so I make a small notch here. Fold it twice with 1 inch and stitch it all the way. I will do the same thing. This is the back. I will fold it twice, hem this side. I will repeat the same thing for this side. So I will hem this side also. After I've done that, I will attach my zip to the back side. My zip is up to here. I will stitch up this side and attach my zip here. I'm done hemming this side. I've also attached the zip. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I will see you guys in my next one. Love you all. Bye.